Nessa Sunshine here, and today we are getting into a battle of the concealers. Ding 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 ding. Today we have the Tarte Shape Tape, world-renowned concealer, and Jouer. This is a new concealer coming to you October 2nd. I'm going to test it out for you today so we can see, does this new concealer compare or no? So let's get into the battle of the concealers. The Tarte Shape Tape contains 0.3381 fluid ounces, while the Jouer contains 0.139 fluid ounces. This retails at Ulta for $27, while the Jouer retails for the amount entered on the screen. I'm gonna put this one on my right side and this one on my left side, and in my check-ins it will be flipped, so be prepared for that. Right now it is 3:22. Hey look, it's a time that I must like to do battle of the concealers. I'm going to use my Thrive Cosmetics sponge, my Maybelline Fit Me powder, loose Fit Me powder, and my Real Techniques setting brush. This is a process. It should be treated with fine quality treatment. I'm taking my mirror up here and I'm going to start to create, oh gosh, the triangle. Bring it onto the side of the nose. I'm going to get the Jouer, create, oh, this almost looks like the same color, a triangle. Bring it onto the nose there. Time to blend. So here is the Jouer, blending that, and I will set it, and this is blending out nice. Bring it here, a little on this half of the face. I want to set one at a time, blending the Tarte. When I blend this one out, it just looks so much brighter. Bring it here on the side of the nose. It kind of got on the eyelash. What am I gonna do about that? Okay, getting the setting powder. Here we have a Tarte, and here we have a Jouer under eye situation. It's just powdery right now. I haven't put any bronzer or anything like that. This is what it looks like after blending it out and setting it. So let's go into our check-ins.
5:36, around that time, Mr. Sunshine is driving in here. The mirror is flipped, so Tarte is on this side and Jouer is on this side. Let's go in close. They both look nice. When I look into the mirror, they both look the same. Tarte is settling in some of my creases, and here the Jouer is not settling at all. Besides that, I think that they look pretty much the same. Tarte is just settling in some of the fine lines here, or the creases. Jouer is not, but they're pretty similar. Okay, so this is another check-in. I believe it's around 8:26, 27-ish. So just again, the screen is flipped. So here we have Tarte on this side, and this side is Jouer. It looks so similar. I feel like they're very comparable. Okay, so I'm here with these two lovely ladies. They're going to tell me which of the under eyes they like best. Which do you think is better?
Yeah, definitely the one on the left.
That's Jouer, you guys. Okay, so it's 9:45 at the night p.m. So the Jouer concealer, it's not settling into the creases like Tarte is, but they're almost the same besides that. Amazing.
So that's it. That's the battle of the concealers. Tarte versus Jouer. This is Jouer Essential Concealer. It's the high coverage liquid concealer. It's new. It's coming out. Oh, it says it's creaseless. Soft matte. The hyaluronic acid, that is supposed to be fantastic. The darkness looks like it covers darkness the same. It looks like it has the same amount of coverage. From, you know, they both look beautiful. They both look beautiful. You'll see what I think in my check-ins. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you are not already. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Why not? @NessaSunshine_. And if you made it to this point in the video, then let's comment down below. What should we comment down below? Why not? Let's comment down below sunshine, because sunshine, when the sun is setting, makes your face flawless, like concealer and sunlight. I know I said that in my last one. I know that's not original. But sunshine, comment down below sunshine if you reached to this point of the video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! Bye now!